Get it at the very heartland of tea, because the counties that we have.
Finally, it came out as a very productive meeting.
Improve the quality and the yield of our tea. And above all, that will be happening, we hope it will reduce and mitigate.
And we cannot do without you. So we need a much more. We must claim as Kenya legitimately the tea space. The same way everybody believes that the best wine comes from some place in France, the best tea in the world comes from Kenya. It is just as simple as that.
The establishment of this academy will benefit all stakeholders in the industry and symbolize a new model of economic development for Kenya. By offering bachelor, master's, and PhD programs, the university will develop knowledge that is valuable to small and large producers, to farmers, and to traders.
And I know we have plans to come to Karatina University, which previously, even before becoming Karatina University, was a tea academy.
We need to start thinking of packaging our tea and improving the quality of our tea so that when we are selling it internationally, we are not selling other people's brand, but we are selling Kenyan brands.
Well, how can we improve trade and investment? How can we help and work together in increasing the economy, increasing productivity, increasing jobs and skills in a country like Kenya?